Hi guys, welcome to the PageFly video tutorial series. In today's video, you'll learn how to show different images in different devices using the hide option. From PageFly's 2.8 version, you only need to upload one image for that image element to be shown across all devices. If you'd like to show different images for different devices, you need to use the hide option. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Okay, so here we are in the PageFly editor. We're currently looking at all devices view. And we have two images here that we want to hide on mobile and have two new images in their place. Okay, so to do that, we're going to add the images first by clicking on Add Element and dragging the images right underneath the images that we're going to hide on mobile. Okay, then we'll choose our image source. Let's choose this one. And for this image, we'll have this one. Okay. So now we need to hide these two images on everything except mobile. Okay, so to do that, we're going to click the image and under General tab, scroll down, find Visibility, and we're going to click on everything except mobile. So that's desktop, laptop, and tablet. And we'll do the same for this. Okay, and then these two images we want to hide on mobile. So we'll click those there, and then to check, we come up to here and we'll select mobile view. Okay, so you can see here we have our two new images and the other images are hidden. So the last step before we check on live view is to click on the image and make sure that they are full width. So we'll do that for these two images here, and then we're going to publish. And then we'll check on live view. Okay, and to check on mobile, once we're on the live view, we can right click, choose inspect, and then we'll come up to this icon here, the toggle device toolbar. Click on that and that will give us mobile view. So we'll scroll down. And there we go, there are two images there and our other images are hidden. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. Hope you guys all now understand how to show different images across different devices using the hide option. To learn more about PageFly, check out our other video tutorials and visit our help center. Thanks for watching. See you next time.